For the straddle stretch, sit nice and tall on your sit bones. Lean from side to side to warm up and start to increase the stretch from side to side, reaching further and further every time. With your hands in front, reach until you feel the start of a stretch. Circle around one way, trying to bring your chest down as you circle and keep your head up. Then change directions. Reach over to one side, reaching long. Keep your bottom shoulder in front of your leg and try to open up your chest to the roof. Now sit back up, twist your torso and lay flat down the leg, bringing your chest to your knee. Reach just inside your leg and try to get your head and chest to the floor. Try and stay flat and long. Repeat the stretch on the other side. Walk your hands from side to side, staying as low as you can. Stay long in the back and try not to hunch. Reach your hands forward and stretch forward. Stay here for a few breaths. Then sit back up, flex your knees and reach forward again. Your back can be more rounded here, that's not a problem. Really keep your knees reaching up to the roof, hips externally rotating. Stretch the legs and then stretch forward. We're going to repeat this again, first with flexed knees and then stretching the legs. Stretch yourself down and try and get your chest and belly button right to the ground. Thanks for watching this straddle stretches video. For more videos like this, inspiration, resources, and even online classes, follow us at the WA Performance School.